So you were hanging around with the unbreakable Kimmy Schmidt last week at Ellen's show.
Pretty fun.
Ellie's
Really, really fun.
Glad
Yeah.
you came back.
Well, are you kidding? They're such nice people. Are
You
kidding?
had to come back. You blew up their studio.
Yeah, well, it's a small little problem
What are we
whatsoever.
doing? What do
They're
we
so
got?
nice. Cornstarch. This is not new to 4 o'clock at 9 News. In 18 years, we've done so many things with cornstarch, but today I was mesmerized with this thing I was playing with. My wife says it's just a constant play date around the office.
Yeah,
so,
I bet.
just to bring everybody up to speed, cornstarch. So you're going to want your box of cornstarch. Lasts most people a year. Me about 4.5 minutes. Cornstarch has this crazy consistency. It's very tactile, right?
Yeah.
So you can feel those seeds, those cornstarch seeds, squishing between your fingers. You just keep on adding water until the consistency gets that of honey. Now, both of you see the green in front of you, and I
Yes.
colored this one
Yes.
here. If you just pound your fingers into it like this, you just do that, you'll notice it doesn't go in.
No.
Oh,
So
wow.
it is a liquid until you put pressure on it, and then it's a solid. So
Okay.
look at this. This is our liquid and solid mixture that you have here, which is fantastic. So you can hit it like this, you can smack it, and
Hey,
it doesn't go
hey.
everywhere, and yet when you let it flow, it's just a liquid. Isn't that
Amazing.
fun?
Yeah, it has dual consistency
So
almost.
I want you to try this for the holiday, for fun, for stress relief. I just put cornstarch in this one. Squeeze it and feel.
Yeah.
And get up to your microphone. Listen to the squishing. Hear it? Yeah. This one here has cornstarch and water. It's just this kind
that
of.
feels exactly like the
Isn't that
stress
crazy?
reliever
Yeah.
things.
And anything worth doing is worth overdoing. So look, I put it in this great big huge balloon.
Okay.
So I get a clear balloon. That one's yours. Isn't that great?
Yeah.
Feel that. So as you're moving it back and forth there, it's just and you throw. And
no.
there you
Oh,
go.
yeah,
There.
look at
This. But when you feel this, like Kim, when you squeeze this, just feel like that. It's just.
Oh my
Isn't that
gosh.
crazy? So
Okay.
a solid and a liquid at the same time. All right, so I put
Okay.
something together for you that I thought would be kind of fun.
Kinda heavy.
Look at this. It's a 1 liter bottle.
Right.
And put a hole at the very end. So I'll hold
Okay.
it still so you can see. So a hole right here at the very end. And so I'm going to pull that cork here in just a minute. But before that, we have to put in some cornstarch. So you put a little of this cornstarch in, which looks about right.
Oh,
and
boy.
then some green, I think would be
Make
a
it
really
colorful.
good idea. Good job. And then, oh, that's looking good.
It's like a parfait.
Haven't seen that before. Good. And then
That's
this
one of the
here,
recipes on the
this
box, you know
It
that.
is one of the recipes on the box. And then here's a little bit of this. Who knows what this will look like? And then Tom, would you grab the 2 balloons behind us? So grab those 2 balloons.
Yes.
Kim, I have a microphone stand. Don't tell audio that we borrowed a microphone
no.
stand.
Okay.
Okay. And then this hangs up here. Kinda
Oh,
like
this isn't gonna
that
be
great?
messy at all.
All right, so this is great. So now here, watch what happens. When you pull, then you get
Oh.
that. So that flows, which is wonderful, right? But now
Right.
watch. If you now build up some static electricity, watch this. So a little bit of static on this one here. So I'll build up static. Watch what happens. You can actually pull. Oh, isn't that great?
jumps
Oh,
towards
pull
you,
it
yeah.
away.
Yeah, here, we'll do this on yours. You can kind of pull it around like this. So the static electricity causes, there it is. It'll move back and forth. Try that. Oh, there it is. Oh, Tom,
Oh,
that's a
it
good.
likes
Give me that. I
yours.
need some more of that. Kim, just put your hair in here. Here you go.
No,
like
it's
that.
okay.
Okay, so here, see? Isn't that great? But you know what kids will always do is that they'll
Yeah.
do this. They just ultimately
Yeah.
do this.
And who would do that but
I
you?
Don't, I don't know,
and kids?
because they end up doing this, and so you get that wonderful kind of oobleck look that's right there.
Yes.
That's what they want. So you know
Bartholomew.
what? Who would have ever thought? Go ahead, Tom. I won't be the hog of it. Who would have ever thought that a box of cornstarch and some water, a little bit of science about solids and liquids, would be just a fantastic way to connect with kids over the holidays?
No, and
Is that
kids, I
fun?
think, will love this. And then when mom has to take care of this, how,
Yeah.
how does that go?
Kim, what have we always said? Don't try this at home.
Home. Don't try this at home.
Try it at.
A friend's house, your
That's
neighbor's
right,
house.
a friend's home. That's exactly.
A relative's
We've learned
house.
a lot, boys and girls, in 2018 here on 9 News. So many different things. Well, what a fun way to be able to connect a
So, but do it
solid
at
and
someone
a
else's
liquid
home
at the
with an
same
even-tempered
time.
mom.
Exactly. Or when mom's not home. I always say
Or
that's a
if
good
mom's
idea
making
as well.
gravy
Yeah,
and
absolutely.
then you take the rest of the box.
I just want to mess it up for everyone forever that you'll never look at a box of cornstarch without thinking about this
About
again.
this,
Fair
yeah,
enough.
that's
We've done almost 60 segments this year
Yes.
on 9 News. We put them all at 9news.com. If you visit the Facebook page, you'll see links to all of those, and facebook.com/Steve Spangler, and lots on Instagram as well, believe it or not.
Think
So
about it, nearly
jump over
60
there.
segments, and there were like 4 good ones?
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. My gosh,
And I was trying to
I'm going
protect
back
the
to the
mic
Ellen show,
stand
ladies
from
and gentlemen.
Nelson.
When I
I
leave
don't-
today, I'm going to say, why
Yeah.
is all that cornstarch on my car?
I'm going back to
I know.
Ellen. Yeah.
you
Oh, look,
very much.
no, I'm not
No.
shaking your hand. You've got
No,
the 5
I'm
o'clock
not
to do.
touching it.
You guys want a hug?
No.
Okay,
that's
sure.
okay.